Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect to Hostinger Website Builder to Google Search Console. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, look for Google Search Console on YouTube on Google. Then visit this page called search.google.com/search console/about. Click on Start Now. You might see a different welcoming page than me because I already added this domain name. Now click on this list, click on add property. In your case, you might see add a property directly on this welcoming page. In my case, I should select it from here. Now let's select your property type. Click on, I recommend you to go with URL prefix. Fill in your Hostinger website domain name. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. I think you should start it with HTTPS or HTTP. Then click on continue. Now this is the verification or the ownership verification step. Here, instead of HTML file verification method, select domain name provider. As you see, select record type. I will go with txt. It is the easiest one. And now you need to go or to log in where your Hostinger website builder site domain name is registered and give them this txt record or txt value to let them know that you own this domain name. In my case, my website is domain name is also registered on Hostinger website builder, so I will go to HPanel. So I will visit hpanel.hostinger.com, then go to domains, and next to my domain name, click on manage. Now go to DNS/name servers and scroll down under manage DNS records, and here from this type select txt. Go back to Google Search Console, copy this value from here and paste it like that, and click on add record. As you see, DNS record created successfully. Now go back to Google Search Console and hit verify. As you see, ownership verified. If in your case they didn't found, or is in your case the ownership is not verified yet, don't worry, because sometimes a DNS records updates requires a little bit of time to fully take effect or to show up online. So just give it a 5-minute waiting time and try to verify your ownership again. Now click on go to property, and as you see, now my website is showing up here. And to add my my website sitemap to have a better indexation, just go to sitemaps. Here you will see your Hostinger website address, and after that add sitemap.xml. But let's verify if this address is correct. Sitemap.xml, and as you see, this is the correct address. Now copy just this sitemap.xml part, fill it here, or you can write it manually, and click on submit. As you see, sitemap submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. Click on dismiss. Let's refresh this page, and as you see, I have the success or the grease success message below status. And this is how to connect your Google Search Console or how to connect your website, or how to connect hosting your website builder to Google Search Console. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.